sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Sutia, Tea community, to benefit Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam, and they are the soil of the soil. Their given justified, so I am supporting them. I like to request to benefit for the these six communities of Assam. In the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note by Gazette Note as a tribal community. Like Tribal Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status. So this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush and Tea community, they are generally very justified from getting genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I am request the government to grant the status of the six communities of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia and Tea community immediately should get the tribal status, and I believe government will bring the peace in the present and this
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get it. Thank you.